Okay, so in this video, I'm basically just gonna do a light detail on my girlfriend's car. This is sort of something you can kind of expect to get when you're getting some sort of annual maintenance. Gonna do a full decon wash on it, top with Camp Coat Pro, Gyeon Pure on the wheels. I had it laying around. I don't really use it that often, but I just wanted to use it up, so I did throw that on the wheels. I just topped off the glass. Now I'm just dressing some tires. I'm using CarPro Pro. I really like using these foam sponge applicators because they get in all the cracks and crevices and they really help spread out the product to not leave any sort of white or whatever color dressing you're using on the tire. And it really helps spread it out. Kind of came across this because I actually been using ceramic coating applicators. They really get in to all those tight areas, but they tend to really kind of break down really fast. So I can figure out, I'm not exactly sure what sponge this is. I know they're available on Detailed Image. They're very nice. You look here, you can kind of see how the sponge is. You can get them in two different sizes. I also use these, I cut them up and use them to coat wheels as well. So something like this, I'll cut a piece off, and they really help apply ceramic coatings onto the faces of the wheels.